What is going on, guys? I just want to show you a real quick lesson on why it's important to draw your trend lines out to prepare for the future. So if a stock was really hot and active on day one, day two, you're looking for a potential day two play. So it's important to go back to day one, plot out your major support lines and your trend lines, and use those lines for future support and resistance. So we have ticker ATOS here. You see it just formed a wedge right here, popped to the upside, and then we have just a big ascending wedge right here. Up and down in this wedge, broke through this wedge right here, and then you see the top of this trend line acted as somewhat of a resistance. This was acting as support, fell through that support, and then now if we zoom out on this, this is the next 2 days of what happened. And again, this is important why you draw your levels out. You seen it had support right in this area right here. If you were to extend that line, you were to see that it had found resistance right in this area. And then if we go to day 3, when it has this nice wedge right here and gets momentum and pops to the upside, where does it find resistance at? From way over here, from all the way back here. And if you were to connect the top trend lines, connecting the lower highs, and just simply extending it all the way down, you could see it forms a cross with this line right here. And it just makes perfect sense that that finds resistance right there. It gets a nice explosion up, and then it falls right back down, starts to trend down, and look at this area where it's bouncing at. This long trend line that was past resistance there, past resistance there, and past support right here. And then it falls down below it, and then this long trend line connecting the lower highs. You could see if you zoom in on this really close, when it cracked that line, even that descending trend line acted as a little bounce too before it cracked, fell below it. So I just wanted to show you guys a real quick video on why it's important to always draw out your lines to try to see what the stock will do in the future around these levels. And this is what traders do. These are why the charts confined to multiple time frames. They confined to support and resistance because so many traders do this. All they do is draw support lines, resistance lines, trend lines, and they use those lines for the future to help predict and manage the stock. And that's what it's all about. Now, so I just wanted to make a real quick video for you guys. Hope you guys enjoyed. If you're not a subscriber already, make sure you guys subscribe to the channel and join the Trading Learning 101 community. Hit that like button. And until next time, guys, have that patience, have that discipline, and study. Alright, later everyone.